Let's be honest. Your browser is where everything happens: work, banking, shopping, social media. And unfortunately, where a lot of attacks start too. In this video, I'll show you simple browser extensions you can install in minutes to block malicious ads, protect your data, and make sure your connection stays secure. No tech degree required. Most cyber attacks don't start with hackers breaking in. They start with you clicking something. Malicious ads, fake pop-ups, and unsecured websites are some of the easiest ways attackers steal data. The good news? A few lightweight browser extensions can shut down most of these threats instantly. Let's start with ad blockers. Not just for convenience, but for security. uBlock Origin is hands down one of the best ad blockers out there. It blocks malicious ads, trackers, and pop-ups without slowing down your browser. It's open source, lightweight, and trusted by security professionals. AdGuard adds another layer by blocking tracking scripts and phishing pages. It's great for users who want strong protection with minimal setup. If an ad feels urgent, emotional, or too good to be true, your ad blocker probably just saved you. Next up, encryption. If a website doesn't use HTTPS, your data can be read or altered in transit. HTTPS Everywhere forces websites to use encrypted connections whenever possible. Many browsers now have this built in, but make sure it's turned on. This extension automatically upgrades your connection to HTTPS and warns you if a site is unsafe. No encryption means passwords, messages, and form data can be intercepted. HTTPS helps stop that cold. If you want to go a step further, here are a few optional power tools. Automatically blocks invisible trackers that follow you across websites. No configuration needed. This one blocks JavaScript by default. It's extremely powerful, but best for advanced users who don't mind some setup. A quick word of caution. Securing your browser doesn't have to be complicated. With the right ad blockers and HTTPS tools, you can dramatically reduce risk in under 5 minutes. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which extension you use, or want me to review next. Stay safe, stay secure, and browse smarter.